I come to you to talk about credit. Whenever you don't have any credit, I will suggest you to, one, get a secure credit card. That would be like the best, one of the best options in the event that you don't have anyone that can lend you their credit. So let's say that you go to one of these banks that offer secure credit cards. Give them an amount of money, let's say $500, and in return, what they'll do is they'll give you a credit card for the same amount of the same limit. Once again, we're doing this because they don't know you. They cannot look at your credit because you don't have any, and they don't have anything other than your cash to secure that credit card to make sure that you will pay them back. But it works just as a regular credit card. The only difference is that it is secured by your own money, just in case you don't pay them back. So that's what a secure credit card is. You can go to Citibank, Discover, Bank of America, US Bank, Capital One. All of these companies, they don't, as far as I know, they don't charge an annual fee for the cards, but there are some companies that will do. The other option is if you have a family member that has good credit score, your mom or your dad, anyone actually, and they do have good credit score, you can ask them to add you as an authorized user on their account. That means that you will not be liable financially for that card. However, you can use that card. And in return, what that does is that gives you all the card history reflected on your credit report. And lastly, if you have been renting for the past 12 months, there is what they do is you pay them and they will verify with your landlord that you have paid on time. In return, they will reflect your rent payment on your credit history. If you do one of these three, or the three of them together, or two of them together, it will help you start your credit and get that established. The process, it probably takes about 6 months to get a good history on your credit. I guess to get just settled and started. Also, just a number for you to know, the credit score could go as low as 300 and as high as 850. Anything less than 600 is considered bad. Anything more than 780 is considered excellent. A good credit score would probably go between 620, 640 to 720, 750 and whatnot. So that's good. And that's what you will need in order to apply for a house. If you wanted to purchase a house or a car, cars are not that lenient as mortgages are. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.